Merry Christmas, everyone. This is the K&C Railroad update for December 2020. And I have all 3 lines installed, and they're all wired. The only thing left to do is put some more feeder wires into the DCC line. But other than that, we're good to go. So then it's time to level out the tracks and get them glued in and start the scenery. But here's my GG1 set that I got, and that's Kato. Very nice, and I've got 8 passenger cars, Penn C to Penn Central. And then we have CSX for my son. Oh, and of course, right on cue, there is a derailment. Anyway, you get the point. And then my DCC line, I do have, like I said, half of it hooked up. Of course, that's Lehigh Valley Alco 420, which is one of my favorite engines of all time. So anyway, we're getting there. So hopefully next month in January, we'll have a better update with some scenery. And like I said, we're building a switch yard back in that corner. And the other corner will be a coal yard and for my son. So there'll be 3 operational places for us. There's the 3 main lines. And then, like I said, there'll be a transformer controller for that side over there. And then one over there. So thanks for watching. And like I said, hopefully in January, we'll have a lot more to update you guys on. So Merry Christmas again. I hope everyone has a wonderful 2021, and thanks for watching.